Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to take a first look at our new Ember temperature control mug. So this is it. So this is a coffee mug that basically keeps your coffee warm, and you can keep it to your exact drinking temperature using the Ember app. So it comes with the mug. This is like a really sturdy copper mug here. It comes with a little charging base and a power cord. And it also comes with, of course, instructions, a letter from the CEO, and some Ember stickers, and some warnings, and some Ember stickers that are pretty cool. So really looking forward to doing this and testing it out. I love my coffee and I love to drink it hot. So looking forward to it, and we'll come back and do a full review. Thank you.